Hi grade 9s, my name is Jennifer Godlinton and I have been teaching maths for the last 10 years. I'm very excited to be doing this course with you. We're going to be going over some grade 9 algebra and spending a lot of time making sure that your foundations are good and solid so that we can build on them as the year progresses and build on them when you move into grade 10, 11 and ultimately matric. The grade 9 algebra course, we're going to go through some of the things you may have learned last year just to make sure that you're still solid with them, things like addition and multiplication with algebra, division. We're going to look at some distribution, and then we're going to bring in some new things in grade 9, like looking at binomials times binomials. So for example of how our lesson would run, if you see, you'll be in a lesson with me like this on Zoom, and you'll be able to ask questions or contribute to the lesson whenever you would like to, and we would go through a question like one that's on the board at the moment. So something we would do is, I would say to you, for example, what are you looking at the moment? So what is something, what would each one of these things be called? And each one of those would each individually be called a term, and as a group, all three of them together would be called an expression. And as we start breaking it up even further, if I wanted to know just what that 3 is, what its name of that 3 is, that would be the coefficient of x squared. The negative 4 would be the coefficient of x, and this 2 would be the constant term because there's no variable attached. So our first lesson, we're going to make sure your vocabulary with algebra is all good, and then we'll start moving on to some of the different orders of operation. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye.